We're going to shift our attention to subtraction right now. And just like addition, we need to have a common denominator. Here we have 16 27ths minus 7 27ths. So we are in business here in the beginning of just carrying over that denominator of a 27. And 16 minus 7 for the numerator just works like it always did, and that would be 9. I like this example because it makes you remember you have to check to see if you can reduce. Not everything, but you have to at least check for it. And we can in this case because 9 is 3 times 3. Oops, there we go. And 27 is a whole bunch of 3's. And we would have 1/3 for our final answer. Now, what happens when you don't have a common denominator? Oh, you sigh because you have to find a common denominator. Again, let's break those denominators down. So you have here 2 times 9 basically, and then 3 times 8, but just written in its prime factored form. Now here we go. Remember, our common denominator is the product of all the different factors we see. I see 2's and 3's, but since there are exponents, you take it to the highest exponent that you see at any one time. So that would be to the 3rd power for the 2's and for the 2nd power for the 3's. 8 times 9, or 72. So we now have to change each one of those fractions into 72's. Basically, you look to see what factor is it missing. Here we have the 9's and a 2, but it's missing 2 more 2's. We'd have to multiply by a 4. So we're going to have to take 13 times 4 to get our new numerator. On the second denominator, it was a 24. So it had the 8 and it had a 3, but it was missing a 3. So now the numerator is going to have to also get multiplied by a 3. So I said, really double check your steps. Make sure arithmetic-wise you're okay. And when you subtract, you should get 31 out of 27. And that is reduced because 31 is a prime number. Keep practicing. You can do it.